Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to blur your background in CapCut PC. So let's get started. So here we are in CapCut, and from here what we're going to do is first import your clip right here that you want to blur the background on. So let's say it's this clip for me. So once you are done importing your clip in your timeline, you want to go and duplicate it by holding your Alt button and then dragging it right here, your clip, so that it will be duplicated. And then from here, what we can do now is, first let's go into the effects right here, effects tab, click here and go into the lens. So let's find the lens right here, here it is. So from here, we're gonna go and find blur and we're gonna add it right here. So just add it here and you only want to add it into one of your clips. So right here. So let's say we want to adjust the blur into something like this, just this much right there. So once you have done that, then now what you can do is select the blur and the video below it. So make sure you leave the duplicated video alone, and then you want to right click on this one and create compound clip. And after that, you want to go and put the duplicate clip right here at the top. And then from here, you want to go into video, and then you want to go into cutout right here and click on auto cutout. And after that, all that's left is to process. And now once you're done processing it by clicking on the auto cutout, now we can play the video and you can see that it's now blurred on this background. It's now blurred just like that. And yeah, that is basically how you blur the background on CapCut PC. Thank you for watching. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.